Hello there. Are you ready for a story? Today we're going to see a family having breakfast on a beautiful sunny morning. It's going to be fun.
Wow, look at that. What a nice house. The sun is up in the sky, shining so bright. I can even see little birds flying. It's a really sunny day. Okay, are you ready? Let's go inside and say hello. It's time to meet the family. Oh, who's this coming in? It's Dad. Look at him. Yawn. He's making a big yawn. That means Dad is sleepy. Can you say that word with me? Sleepy. Listen again. Sleepy. Now you try. Yes, that's it. Sleepy. Dad is very sleepy this morning. I bet he wants some coffee. And look, here come the children. It's Sophie and Leo. They're running into the kitchen. I think they are ready to eat. When you're ready to eat, you are hungry. Can you say that? Hungry. Let's say it. Hun-gry. Yes, perfect. Hungry. Sophie and Leo are super hungry for their breakfast.
Okay, so Dad is sleepy and the kids are hungry. I wonder what Mom is doing. Let's go see in the kitchen. It's time to cook.
There's Mom. She's in the kitchen. And look what she's doing. She's cooking. Whoa, did you see that? She just flipped a pancake way up in the air. That's a pancake. Can you say pancake? Let's try it together. Pancake.
Excellent. Pancake. Mom is making a yummy pancake. Mmm.
Okay, the pancake is ready. That means it's time to eat breakfast. Let's go to the table and see all the yummy food.
Wow, just look at that table. There is so much food for breakfast. Everything looks so yummy.
Let's name all the foods together, okay? First we have eggs. Can you say eggs? Good job. And next to the eggs we have bread. Say bread. Yes. And what's this in the picture? It's milk. Can you say milk? Great. Ooh, and my favorite, look at these red and blue berries. Say berries. Fantastic. Look at Sophie. She's getting her cereal. See how she is pouring milk into her bowl? And there's her brother, Leo. What is he doing? He is drinking juice. It looks like orange juice.
Let's look at what Sophie is doing again. She is pouring the milk. That's a fun word. Let's say it together. Pouring. Now it's your turn to say it. Awesome. Pouring. Hey, Mom is pouring something too. She's pouring tea into her cup. Ooh, can you see the little wisps of steam coming off? That means the tea is hot. Can you say hot? Hot. Right. The tea is hot. You have to be careful. But Leo's juice? That's cold. Nice and refreshing. So we have hot tea and cold juice. Hot and cold. They are opposites.
But hold on. Who is that? I see a cat. It's Luna the cat. And the dog, Buster, is watching her. Uh-oh. What is Luna looking at? She's looking at the bacon. That looks yummy. Can you say bacon? Bacon. That's it. Bacon. Oh, I hope Luna doesn't try to sneak a piece of bacon. That's for the family.
Well, with all this yummy food and their funny pets, it seems like everyone is having a great morning. It's going to be a very happy day.
And look at their faces. Everyone is smiling and laughing. They are so happy together. They are a happy family. That's a really important word. Let's say it. Family.
Wonderful. Family. A family is the people you love. And this is a happy family having breakfast. And just like that, breakfast is over. Everyone's tummy is full. Now it's time for Dad to go to work and for Sophie and Leo to get ready for school.
So the family waves goodbye to each other. They say, goodbye, have a great day. Now they're all ready to start their wonderful sunny day. So that was the story of the sunny morning breakfast. It looks so yummy, didn't it? And now I have a question for you. What is your favorite thing to eat for breakfast? Do you like pancakes like Mom made? Or maybe eggs or berries? Think about it. Thank you so much for watching with me today. See you next time. Goodbye.